Hornbill Festival Second Open Benchrest Year Rifle Shooting Competition 2023 do 6 para 7 December tak Pezzo Resort to Pema Kohima de khilishe. The competition get 30 group enterprise para Aijan Kursha. Open category de Kohima laga Kejal Chokire para 254 points paigena champion hushe. Kohima laga Young Along Kuma 228 points paigena second hushe aro Dimapu laga Icheng Jang 215 points paigena third hushe. 177 category de Dimapu laga Icheng Chang 287 points paigena champion hushe aro Meghalaya laga Zimir V Ngayando 286 points paigena defending champion hushe aro Kohima laga Cresana Michel 284 points paigena third hushe. Second open Benchrest shooting competition 24th Hornbill Festival laga open category winner para 50,000 by share aro 177 category laga winner para 30,000 by share.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapu viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.